So what's more important in communicating, talking or listening? I'm Dr. Kim. I'm a Christian counselor and I lead Awesome Marriage. You know, we talk a lot about communication. Why? Well, because the couples that communicate well have better marriages. And from a counseling perspective, I cannot ever remember a couple coming to counseling that says their communication is awesome or even good. It may not be the presenting problem, but it's there. And my belief is that if a couple really communicates well, most of their problems can be resolved through their communication. I know, some of you are shaking your head no. You've tried communicating. You may have tried a lot of times, yet the results were not what you hoped for. And in some cases, it made things worse. So when we communicate, two main things happen. Somebody speaks and somebody listens. Of the two, which is the most important? It's a tough question because without words, there wouldn't be any communication. And if there's no one to listen, there would be no communication. They're both very important. And I can make a case for either side. But the one I think most of us struggle with is listening. Nancy can say things perfectly. She can be making eye contact with me. She can be talking in a voice that communicates what she says is important to her. She may be doing everything she can think of to say things in a way that I can hear. Yet, if I'm choosing to not listen to her, all her work's in vain. Why would I not listen when she's putting in all this effort? Maybe I want to be doing something else, and I'm just waiting for her to finish so that I can go. Maybe I'm thinking about something else that I am interested in. If she's wanting to resolve a problem, I may be thinking about what I'm going to say once she finishes. The bottom line is that I'm being selfish. I'm putting what I want above listening to her. And when she realizes I'm not in any way listening to her, what message am I sending to her? She may think I don't care, or that I'm not making something that is important to her important to me. Not listening to your spouse when they're talking to you sends a strong negative message. In the big picture of our marriage, I want her to know that I care. I want to listen to her. So I have a choice, listen or not. In our marriage, when we both listen to each other in a way that we are doing everything we can to understand what the other is saying, our communication gets better. And when we take the time to say things to each other in a way that we know the other can hear, our communication is better. So here's your next step. If I ask you to rate the communication in your marriage today on a 1 to 10 scale, with 10 being awesome, what would you rate it? Why did you rate it the way you did? And what would it take to up it a few numbers or even one? So try this. Today, sit down together, face each other, and take turns sharing what you will do to improve the communication between the two of you. I will listen better. I will make sure that what I hear is what you are saying. I will say things in a way that I know will help you understand what I'm saying. So do this and then share your thoughts in the comments section below. Nothing is perfect, but if you do this and keep doing it day after day, your marriage will be better. You will feel more connected. You will see things in your spouse that you have been missing. Honestly, what do you have to lose? Nothing. And you have so much to gain. If this vlog has been helpful to you, please like it. I'd love for you to subscribe to our Awesome Marriage YouTube channel.